Really hate spring because I have to wear short things on my arms, and I just really hate it. This is what I'm wearing. It's weird. I don't like it at all. It's cold, and I don't like it because I get cold, and it's cold, and I don't like it. I miss my hoodie. There's my hoodie. There's my foot. Where's my hoodie? I want to wear it, but I can't. I want to wear it. I don't know. I don't know. I also hate being a girl because I get to wear this stuff. I hate spring. It's so weird. So weird. And I'm wearing black shorts underneath. At least I'm wearing something black. I really don't like the girly colors, but yeah.
Gloria.
What?
Where'd you go?
I'm in my room.
What are you doing?
Come in my room.
What?
What?
What are you doing?
Making a YouTube video. What do you usually do?
Are we going?
Yeah.
Well, come on.
Alright, gotta go. Bye, guys.